Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Tasnim Sumaya, student of BC Trust Medical College. Today my topic is about menstrual cycle, which is the shedding of endometrial layer. Now let us know about the purse of the uterus. Here's a figure of a uterus. So this is ovary, this is fibri, this is infundibulum, this is fallopian tube, and this part is fundus, and this part is the internal wall of the uterus, and then this is endometrium, this is myometrium, and this is perimetrium. So endometrium is the innermost layer of the uterus, and this inside of the endometrium there is a base and a functional part. This functional part and this is base. This functional part changes during menstruation and this base remains intact. Now, what is menstrual cycle? The monthly rhythmic changes in the rates of secretion of the female hormones and corresponding physical changes in the ovaries and other sexual organs is called menstrual cycle. Our menstruation cycle is about 28 days. Let's talk about menarche. What is menarche? Menarche. Here, menarche is the onset of first menstruation. It occurs at puberty. It's about age 8 to 13 years. And what is menopause? Menopause is the stoppage of period which happens at the age of 45 to 55 years. Now, talking about menstrual cycle, it will include two cycles, ovarian cycle and uterine cycle. That means the changes occurring in ovary and changes occurring in uterus. So, now menstruation cycle contains three phases. This 1 to 5th day is called menstrual phase. And then this 5th to 14 days is called proliferative phase. And then this 15 to 28 days, 28 number days is called secretory phase. Come to the first phase, which is proliferative phase or estrogen phase or pre-ovulatory phase. It extends from the stoppage of menstruation to the LH surge that precedes ovulation, and its duration is 10 days, and it's from the 5th to 14 days. Here, influencing hormone is estrogen. Endometrial changes are increased thickness of endometrium 3 to 5 mm, growth of endometrial glands, growth of spiral arteries. Now, where this estrogen comes from? This is a ovarian follicular cells. These are granulosa, these are primary oocytes, and these are the theca interna. Estrogen comes from the theca interna of the follicular cell of ovary. Now let's see what happens in the ovary. This is primordial follicle, and which develops to primary follicle, and then this develops to developing follicle. These three are developing follicle, and then this develops to Graafian follicle, mature Graafian follicle, and then rupture of follicle occurs. This is primary ovum, and this is secondary ovum, and this is liberated ovum. And after rupture of the follicle, it turns into corpus luteum, early corpus luteum. This is corpus luteum, and this is corpus albicans. Now here we can see that mature follicle, mature Graafian follicle ruptured and turns to corpus luteum, and this rupture causes liberated ovum, and this is called ovulation, and this occurs on the 14 days. How these ruptures occurs? We can see that our anterior pituitary, this is anterior pituitary gland, and its position is in hypothalamus. This anterior pituitary gland causes increases hormone, follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone, which includes after 36 to 48 hours before ovulation. The rate of secretion of LH surge by the anterior pituitary gland increases 6 to 10 folds, and peaking about 16 hours before ovulation. At 36 to 48 hours before ovulation, the estrogen's feedback becomes positive, and this initiates the burst of LH secretion. Ovulation occurs before 16 hours after the LH peak. The sharp rise of LH secretion just before ovulation is called LH surge. And we know this LH surge, we know after ovulation the corpus luteum is formed and secretes both estrogen and progesterone. This LH surge occurs due to the increase of follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone, which comes from anterior pituitary gland. So this is the follicular phase of the ovarian cycle, and this is the ovulation phase, and all these are the luteal phase of ovarian cycle. Now second phase is secretory phase or progestational phase or luteal phase. The menstrual phase. This is the last phase of the menstrual cycle. This phase occurs only when fertilization doesn't occur. Menstrual blood. The composition of the menstrual blood is unfertilized ovum, tissue debris, prostaglandins, and relatively large amount of fibrinogen. Thank you everyone.